Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Ruby. Today we are going to talk about skincare, you guys. So I have this serum that I have been trying out. I'm going to show you the serum. But first of all, you guys, if it's the first time joining, welcome to the channel. And if you're not subscribed, do go ahead and do subscribe. Also turn on your notification bell that when I do upload a video, you can be notified. So I want to show you these things that I do sometimes use on my face. So if you want to see, keep watching, my friend. So today, you guys, I like to always make sure that I tone my skin. One of the importance of me is using a toner. Now, I use this toner and I also have, I think, two of this and another one. So this one here is all natural, is white rose water for face, skin, and hair. It purify anti-aging balance. So this is one of the toner that I do use on my face. So what I always do is just get a cotton bud and I just usually use it to clean my face. Now I do tone my face a lot, especially after doing makeup and cleaning off, because do sometime when you put on makeup and then when you wash off the makeup, if you use a toner to finish clean off the makeup so that your pulse can be free from the makeup, then you can see the amount of dirt that really was clad in your pulse, because we do use makeup at all time, and even although we wash our face and clean it properly, we still have some form of makeup leave back. So I always try to use a toner on my face, you guys, and my neck also. It does help. So let's talk about this serum. Nowadays, you guys, you go in and you find all these type of um, to, um, face cream, moisturizer cream, and all these eye creams and serum, but the price of them not really, like, it's really high. Like everyday things go up, cost of living getting high, so I guess these people have to improve their price and their product. Now I remember some time ago I show you a rock, which I do love. The rock, have, they do also carry serum, they do also carry cream, moisturizer for your face and other thing. I also tried the L'Oreal serum, which I do love. I still using that. And then Neutrogena, I don't really use it, but I know that the price of Neutrogena is a bit on the high side. Also, Hyaluronci, you guys, there's some Hyaluronci that are, the price of Hyaluronci is high. Usually if I go into the drugstore and I do buy Hyaluronci, it have to be on a sale and then I'll get it, because I have been trying out Hyaluronci for years. This was one of my face, when I come to this country, my first skincare that I would go to was Hyaluronci. So this is the Garnier serum, you guys. So let's tell you a little about this serum. They said this Garnier serum is skin natural. It have hyaluronic acid and it also have aloe vera in it. So this is the Garnier serum, which is a bit on the low price. I mean, Garnier is an affordable product that people can buy if it do work for them. And this one said it's Replumping super serum. It have 3% glycerine. It have hyaluronic acid and aloe vera in this small bottle of serum here. Now, I do like serum for my skin. I always make sure that I use a serum, especially in the night before I go to bed. I use serum mostly morning if I'm gonna use makeup or I'm going out, but every night I go to bed, I would apply serum to my face and oil and then my moisturizer. So this is the serum, you guys, that I am going to use today on my face. This is not my first time using it, and this is how it is. Here you can see it's really of a watery base serum, but it does leave a tacky feel on your face whenever you use it, and they say it do plump your skin, which I'm not sure about the plumping, because I think my skin already plump for my age, so I'm not sure about the plumping of the skin, but it do leave a tacky feeling on your skin whenever you use it. Now I'm gonna go into the serum, and I am going to put some more on my hand here, and my finger. I'm not using a lot of it because it do a small amount goes a long way, so I am going to use this here. And I'm also going to put some more on my finger here. I like to use it, put a small amount here, and then I'm gonna also apply it to my neck, you guys. So I'm applying it to my chin here, and I make sure that I'm massaging this serum into my skin. And they said it can also go under your eyes, not in your eyes, under the eyes. So then I'm going to use the rest of it that I have in my hand and go underneath my neck, you guys. So first thing first, this serum feel really nice. If my skin feel moisturized with just the serum, but it also leave a tackiness. You know, when you put on a primer and your skin leave tacky, that's how this make my skin leave. You have really of a tacky feeling and the skin, you know, but it feel really nice and silky and the skin. Now I like to add a moisturizer to my face, and because I'm gonna step out for a minute, I'm going to just use the Hyaluronci complete, because this has some form of SPF. So I am going to use a small amount of the Hyaluronci and my skin, and just put a little bit here and here, and then I am just going to circular motion hit in my face. I love the sense of Aloe, you guys. It smells really nicely. And just a small amount on my forehead here. So I am going to catch myself a small amount and put it underneath my neck. And forgive my nails, you guys. These nails need to be done, but so after putting on, I like to go underneath my neck and use my hand, fold my finger like this, and bring back the neck like this for the wrinkles. So then I like to go in with my hand also, and I always use my hand like this to go back with my face. Also my forehead, I use the back. If you can see how I do my finger, and I went back with my finger like that, and it feels really nice. My skin feel really soft and really moisturized. It is a technique that I learned for my skin at my age. The only problem that I have is my neck that still shows some form of wrinkle, but there's nothing I can do. I have neck cream, I have been using it. And I think sometimes when you use one product for so long, it does, like at first when you start to use it, it does help, and then after a while it doesn't help. So this is how my skin finally look, really soft, really soft, you guys, and moisturizing. I do love this serum, you guys. It's really a nice serum. It's not expensive, and as I said, because I'm a lover of serum, and sometimes you do buy the expensive serum when you can afford it, and when you can't, then you go on the cheaper rate. But this is how my face look after finishing doing the serum and the cream and my face. And also I did use this toner to tone my skin. I love the sense of this, you guys, and I just want to say thank you so much. God bless you. Stay beautiful, stay blessed as always. Remember, show some form of kindness, and I will see you guys in my next upload. Ciao.